Good morning. Today is Wednesday, and this is today's math homework. If you want a copy of the document via Google Docs, just let me know, and I'll share it with you. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to do the even ones today. Okay, so remember when we are multiplying exponents, we just add them. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay, number 18. Remember, this is raised to the fifth power. So we're going to negative 2 to the fifth is negative 32. Okay, and then this time we're going to multiply the exponents. So 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, number 20. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So 7 times 1 is 7. Okay, negative 3 to the fourth is negative 81. No, I think that actually might be positive. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 81. Sorry about that. The other one is correct. Up here, it is negative 32. That one is correct. So number 24. Okay. Before we can subtract, we have to take care of the ones that are raised to the fourth power. So 2 to the fourth is 16. So this is 6x to the 0, y to the 8th minus 16. And then 4 times 2 is 8. So y to the 8th. Okay. So now we're going to subtract our numbers. So 6 minus 16 is negative 10. X to the 0 is just 1. So we don't really need to do anything with that because 6 times 1 is 6. And then y to the 8th minus y to the 8th would be nothing. So we could just leave it like it is. So just negative 10. Okay. Number 26, our favorite fractions. So we're going to reduce them first. 2 goes into negative 8, negative 4 times. Okay. Now we're going to look at the exponents, and that's going to tell us where the x is going to go. So I have x to the third, x to the fourth. X to the fourth is bigger, so my x is going to go on the bottom. Now I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 4 is 1. And we aren't going to put negative 1 because we're already putting it in the denominator, and putting it in the denominator takes care of that negative. Okay. Number 28. Excuse me. We're going to multiply. So 6 times 3 is 18. And then we add our exponents. X to the fifth plus x to the fifth is x to the 10th. So I did these two first. Okay. Now x to the 0 is 1. So 18x to the 10th times 1 is just 18x to the 10th. Okay. And the last problem, number 30. Okay, this one is probably the most difficult problem. So first thing we're going to do is 3 to the 5th, which is 243. Okay. And now we're going to multiply these because they're raised to the power. So 2 times 5 is 10. So m to the 10th. Okay. And then n to the 7th times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So n to the 35th. Okay. And then the m down here is also raised to the 5th power. So m to the 5th because there's a 1 here, and 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, now we're not done because we need to now reduce. The 243, there's nothing to reduce it by. We are going to reduce our m's. We got m to the 10, m to the 5th, and in this case, the 10 is bigger, so our m is going to go on the top. 10 minus 5 is 5, and n to the 35th. And that's over 1. Or you could just erase it and just leave it as 243 m to the 5th over n to the 35th. And then that's it. Okay, so that's today's math. If you have any questions or need help on any of the other problems, let me know. Okay. Hope you're having a good Wednesday. Bye.